Introducing Stencil Cleaner Wipes with Zestron Vigon SC 200. Paste residues and remaining SMT adhesives on stencil surfaces and apertures can lead to misprints, resulting in bridging and solder balling issues. Most solder defects, some estimate up to 70%, can be attributed to the stencil printing process. For optimum print results, it is necessary to clean the stencils and screens either manually or using an automated stencil cleaning machine. Manual stencil cleaning is recommended for low volume and is a simple and quick procedure with a low process cost. To get started, remove excess paste from the stencil with a spatula. Then use your Vigon SC 200 Stencil Cleaner Wipes to wipe the front and back of the stencil, removing all remaining paste and adhesives from the stencil and apertures. This manual process must be done carefully, as too much force can easily damage the stencil. The Vigon SC 200 Stencil Cleaner Wipes are designed to reduce lint while efficiently removing paste and adhesives from your stencil. They are compatible with all nano coatings and a safe alternative to alcohol-based wipes, leaving you with a clean and safe process